I really like this camp spot so much that I decided to take a video with the phone instead of the steamy palm for no apparent reason. Look at this cool aspen trees. I'm pretty sure these are aspens. I always calling them birch trees. I don't know. They look a lot like birch trees, just less peely, and I can't really tell until they got leaves on them. This forest is just amazing. Can you see Penny down there? I was just sitting there editing videos earlier, and a man on a horse with two dogs appeared, seemingly out of nowhere. Scared the crap out of me. Because look at where I am. I'm in the middle of nowhere. He was friendly, his dogs were friendly. He complimented my nice camp spot. I moved on. But it's just a nice, hilly, beautiful forest. It smells good. I love being out here in the middle of nowhere. It's just so peaceful. Them choppers, I'll be them trying to find me again. Better get back in the hiding, Dingle. How's life? How's life on the road? Was it everything you thought it would be? Actually, yeah, it's pretty freaking awesome. Anyway, here's what we're working with. That's a Wallen power station doing its thing. This thing's been running 24/7 since I left, and I don't know. I don't even know how long I've been on the road. 2 weeks? About 2 weeks, probably. So, everything's getting real dialed in. Like, I've been doing this, every day. I've been figuring out how to get stuff situated, and I think I've really got it dialed in now. So, I got the screens on the windows and my covers that my mom helped me make. Thanks, Mom. They're working great. But anyways, just pretty much just leave them on there. It's the first thing I put on when I get to camp. And then I just been sticking the fleece blankets up in there and using the visor to hold it. It works. It takes a minute to finagle it in there, but it's working. But this thing is, what a wonder this thing has been. And that little laptop is freaking amazing. everything that I envisioned this place or the trip to be, and the way Penny's been working. I mean, yeah, I had a vision, and now here I am living that vision in this vision of a landscape. Alright, but anyway, so yeah, there's the Femi Palm. It's charging right now. And then what is that thing called? GPD Pocket 2, Windows 10 machine. You know, flawless, all of it. Using the GPS dongle with this thing. Um, if you really want to know, ask me. But yeah, that works with Microsoft Streets and Trips like flawless. It's so cool what I can do with all this stuff. So much planning went into all of this. So I've been using this shovel. That's like, you never know how much you need a shovel sometimes, if you know what I mean. And I've been using this old bike lock that my dad gave me. Thanks, Dad. The Plano box that's got all my clothes, and yeah, that's it. That's all that's in there is clothes. And so yeah, and then I built the roof rack. If you want to, I've made a video all about the roof rack. It's been awesome. So highly recommend you build your own instead of spending thousands of dollars. The one thing I would recommend you do spend the money on it is an awning, because this Yakima Slim Shady's freaking awesome. Once you put it up and down a few times, it becomes second nature. It's not hard to set up. I put the orange up there because I thought I might have heard gunshots. I mean, there could be people hunting out here. How the hell do I know? So keep that up there so anyone can see. Get my tripod, which is really just the mic. It's a mic stand. I've been using that to do some cinematics and things. My Camprite chair with the little built-in table next to it. This is a great chair. The Yongtong. This is a great table. If all I had was just this chair and that table and that stove, that's all you really need. But anyway, I sprung for the big camp kitchen, and this thing's pretty awesome. It's like the second time I've ever actually used it. Figure since I'm going to stay for a few days, I might as well. So it's got storage down there, and then it's built for use with the Coleman stove, or Magellan probably wants you to use theirs. But it's amazing how all this just fits in this little box here. It takes a minute to set up, but for what it is, it's pretty great. I got my made a $15 donation to National Park Service, and they sent me this lantern. I use it every day. It's great for what it is. So, and it fits perfect like on a thing. How cool is that? I use these wipes all the time. Gotta have plenty of water. I just today reorganized this. This is all the stuff I really need for my kitchen. And then I got a cutting board and crap. I even took the cutting board out because I just never used it. But so it's just underneath here. So it's like got this nice little setup. I wouldn't just leave it open like this, but there's like zero wind in this spot. It is like the most perfect camp spot ever. So let me give you the tour. Got a pretty deluxe bed. It is super awesome, working great. And then I got this I think it's from like some kind of luggage, and I just figured out that I can use one of these. Here, I'll do it. Yeah, we're still rolling. Okay, so just got that one of these guys. Just happen to have one, and so that's my new clasp setup, so you can get into the boot. It's just, I'm actually really glad I have that little board. It comes in handy a lot. And then this thing allows me, it's just a board, and I put some little rubber on it so it don't scrape nothing up. I don't know what just happened there. Well, I do know what happened. It was using internal storage instead of the SD card, like a dummy. So then the fridge. It's so great. I love having the refrigerator. You couldn't do this without the refrigerator and that power station. So I could play video games out here if I wanted to. Do whatever. I mean, this is my house. You can do whatever you would do at home because you are at home. Yeah. So I got lots of beer and meats and cheeses, and I've been eating good. This thing is solid, man. What a great fridge. Sun Q. So that's my comfy bed and my fridge, and it's pretty easy to get to. So yeah, that's awesome. Notice how spotless. I do keep it this clean all the time. I don't want to be on the road and living in squalor. Got them Falcon Wild Peaks. I can't say enough great things about these tires. Got my 6-gallon water jug. Try to keep it full. What else can I tell you? The guitars sit right there now. Both of them fit in there. Both of them been staying in tune. They're really holding up. I guess if you're comfortable, your guitar will be too. So it's how I'm doing dishes and taking a shower. It actually is really awesome. What a great idea. Stupid simple. Doesn't use very much water at all. I love it. What is that over there? Like somebody doing a little bushcraft. A little lean-to. Huh. Gonna do some real quick tailgate cooking because it won't stop raining. Did all the meal prep inside the vehicle. I got everything sized up real nice, everything placed real good, everything I need, nothing I don't, pretty much. Everything can just fit in the car. Now all I have to do is just pull off window covers pretty much, and I can drive away. After moving, like, I just put the chair on the front seat. Didn't know where to put that before, but I made a whole bunch of room today. And yeah, so gonna try this. Got ventilation, should be fine. Making some beef chorizo and some red peppers. Throwing it on these rest of these Albuquerque tortillas with some cheese, and it's gonna be awesome. So anyway, I guess I'm just gonna video games all day because I was gonna take a nice hot shower, and then I got the shower going, the hot water anyway, and just when it started to get hot and I had a tarp over this string here, it started doing this. So I had to hurry up and throw the stove and everything in here. Fun. Wow guys, so I got up this morning and I was going to take a nice hot shower. So I get the stove all set up and it's heating up the water. I put a line up, throw a tarp over it, so I'm, at least covered on most sides, any side from where people would be, right? And then it started doing this. So then, just a few minutes ago, the sun was out and there wasn't a cloud anywhere near me, so I jumped out and I heated the shower and I got it going, and man, it was amazing. And then, like, right when I finished up, it started doing this. So that, like, I could not have timed that any better. I feel so much better taking a nice hot shower in the middle, and it's cool taking a shower in the middle of a forest. What do you call this weather? It's really nice and sunny, but it's like blizzarding. Okay, so against all odds, in this winter wonderland, I made dinner happen. I made one of these youre guys, the spicy seafood. This is the best one. So I made that. I threw in some Dickey's barbecue pit, smoked sausage, and fajita chicken, and it's amazing on this cold afternoon. I just think it's really cool that I'm able to adapt so well. Like, here I am, just in my car, but also I got a nice table set up here. So it's like this is my kitchen cupboard area, pretend. Nice counter space, and then when you need the stove, it is there. And then just open up all the windows. Boom, you can cook. I just cooked up this in here. The heat going now. Just chilling here. I've been using, I got Zatarain's red beans and rice, and I threw a couple other kinds of meats and veggies in there, and goes great on there. But today I'm doing steak, and I got red pepper and lime, and then I got some mushrooms left. So it's the Philly cheese steak taco But I cooked it a little longer.